Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is Vasanth Kumar. I am pursuing 10th grade at LOKSHITH tutorial. Today I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I am saying complete seminar regarding classification of elements. Before I am starting the seminar, I want to share very important few lines in my today's seminar. Today my seminar will continue with 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark and 8 mark important questions. So please imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. Please watch my video from starting point to ending point without fail. Let's start the seminar. Yes, exactly. Classification of elements. Here the elements first introduced by Robert Boyle. The Robert Boyle is introduced in the 16th century, 13 elements. And next 17th century, the Lavoisier in the 1665, he introduced 11 elements. And next 18th century, the another scientist is introduced 65 elements. And next 19th century, a scientist is introduced 13 elements with 45 important elements. The great scientist is introduced the total elements, 118 elements is introduced in the 21st. Total important the elements are introduced by Robert Boyle, Lavoisier and some important scientists. The total invention of elements is introduced in 19th century. We'll move to next topic. Yes, law of traits. The law of traits is nothing but here the great scientist Needs is introduced of an element. The great information is given. In a periodic table present 3 elements. Here 3 elements contain 1 by 1 with their atomic weight. Which energy and which atomic weight present first element and the third element, the same energy and same atomic weight present to the second element. This is introduced by Needs law of traits. The drawbacks of Needs is this law is not applicable to the all elements. This is the drawback of Needs. Are you understand? I hope you are all understood. Next, we will move to next topic as Newland's law of octaves. The Newland's is introduced the periodicity of element in the manner of music with the chemical properties of an element. He introduced the periodicity of an element and the chemical properties of an element in the manner of music. The limitations of Newland's law of octaves is the 2 elements are present at same slot and the dissimilar elements are present in same group. It is the limitations of Newland's. Let's move to next topic as Mendeleev's. The Mendeleev's is introduced the similarity of an element in the periodic table. Here the Mendeleev is the introduced the great periodic table. He is the scientist introducing the periodic table. Let's move to next topic, periodic law. What is periodic law? The periodic law is nothing but the physical and chemical properties of an element with the periodic functions is known as periodic law. Here the modern periodic law is also is there. The modern periodic law is introduced the physical and chemical properties of an element with the periodic functions and their atomic weight is known as modern periodic table. I will show the periodic table with the important 30 elements. These 30 elements are very important in the classification of an element in the chemistry also. First, this is the modern periodic table. This total picture. Here, very important elements are hydrogen. This is atomic number is 1 and atomic weight is 1.008. This is hydrogen. Next, this is helium. This is the helium and atomic number is 2. This is lithium. Atomic number is 3. Atomic weight is 6.94. This is beryllium. Atomic number is 4. Atomic weight is 9.01. And this is boron. This atomic number is 5. Carbon. Atomic number is 6. Hydrogen. Atomic number is 7. Oxygen. Atomic number is 8. Fluorine. Atomic number is 9. And neon. Atomic number is 10. Sodium. Atomic number is 11 and atomic weight is 22.99. Magnesium. Atomic number is 12, 24.31 atomic weight. This aluminium. Atomic number is 13. Silicon. Atomic number is 14. Phosphorus. Atomic number is 15. Sulfur. Atomic number is 16. And chlorine. Atomic number is 17. Here argon. Argon contain 18 atomic number. Here potassium contain 19 atomic number and 39.10 is the atomic weight. Calcium, it is 40.08 and it contain atomic number is 20. Scandium, 21 atomic number, it is 44.96. Titanium, 22, 47.88. This atomic weight is 47.88. Vanadium, 23 atomic number, 50.94 is atomic weight. Chromium, 24, 52.00. And manganese, this atomic weight is 54.94. Iron, the atomic weight is 55.85. And cobalt, 58.93. This is the very important element in the 8th B. Nickel, this is the atomic weight is 58.69. Atomic number is 28. Copper, atomic number is 29. Atomic weight is 63.55. And zinc, this is the last element in the very important elements. The atomic weight is 65.39. These are the very important elements up to 30, up to zinc, hydrogen to zinc. These very important elements in the chemistry whole subject. Yeah, these 30 elements are very important. Hydrogen to zinc. Are you understand? Are you understand these 30 elements with the symbol, atomic weight and atomic number? Are you understood? Yes. Next, how the present in the normal periodic table periods, how the modern periodic table present the periods. Here, the horizontal rows are known as normal periodic table. Here, vertical columns. I observe these vertical columns are there in the modern periodic table. The modern periodic table is introduced by H.G. Moseley. He is the great scientist. The construction of modern periodic table also by him occur. This is the very important 30 elements in the total chemistry. Let's move to the next topic. On the block. Do you know what is block? The differentiation of electrons or moving subshells is known as block. In this lesson, very important blocks is there. S block, P block, D block and F block. These 4 blocks is there in any atom. The S block means the differentiation of electrons are moving into the S subshell is known as S block. And P block, the differentiation of electrons are moving into the P subshell is known as P block. And D block, the D block is nothing but the differentiation of electrons are moving into the D subshell is known as D block. And F block, the F block is nothing but the differentiation of electrons are moving into the F subshell is known as F block. These are the blocks are very important for 4 marks. They will ask how many orbitals are present in the s orbital, how many electrons are present in the p orbitals. These are very important for a 4 marks. Let's move to next topic. Yes, atomic radius. What is atomic radius? Atomic radius is nothing but the distance between nucleus to orbit is known as atomic radius. Ionization of energy. The ionization of energy is nothing but the amount of energy required to remove one electron in outermost orbit is known as ionization of energy. And let's move to next topic. Electron affinity. Electron affinity is nothing but any electron is attracted to the neutral electron in any atom is known as electron affinity. And electron negativity. The electron are attracting themselves is known as electron negativity. And electron positivity is the electron losing any atom in outermost orbit is known as electron positivity. Before I am leaving the seminar, I want to repeat very important questions in this lesson. First, what is Dobernet theory? What is Newland's theory? What is the limitations of Newland's? What is Mendeleev theory? Explain the blocks. What is S block? What is P block? What is D block? What is F block? Explain the atomic radius. Explain ionization of energy. Explain electron affinity. What is electron positivity? What is electron negativity? In this lesson, very important for 4 marks are periodic table and the blocks information. This is the very important for 4 marks. I hope you are all understood my seminar. Thanks for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe.